Hello friends, welcome to the Civil Lab. In this video, we are going to see how to draw a under-reamed file in AutoCAD. You can now see in the Excel I have drawn some data. These are all based on IS code 2911 part 3. All data are taken from here uh, and all the spacings and everything is taken from this code IS 291 part 3. Okay, now how we will draw this in AutoCAD. So let's start. Uh, One by one, I will going to explain everything. So our first total length of the pile is 5000 mm. That is 5 meter. I have drawn here, but we'll draw it together. Okay, just leave it aside. Suppose our length of the pile is 500 mm. This is 5 meter. Okay, then our dia of shaft is 400. O enter, O for offset, and 400. Oh, just drawn here. Okay. Now we have completed a pile shaft. Then what we'll do, we'll again go and see what is the distance of this bulb. What is the diameter of this bulb? The dia of this bulb is 1000 mm. Okay, and distance from the bottom of the pile 600 mm. So we will take again an X line. X line is an infinite line, and for how to use it, XL enter. Then you want horizontal line, H enter, and place it here. From there, offset of 600. See, this will be our offset. Now what we will do, we will draw a bulb separately and we will place it here. That will be a very simple. Suppose our pile shaft dia is 400. See, it's 400, and our dia of our shaft dia of our bulb is 1000. It's a very simple process. See, okay, and from here middle 500, and from here 500. See, and from here what will be our D? 100. From here we will take, but we are not going to do this. Rather, what we will do, okay, let's take it 100, but the angle will change. That might be different. We'll take 50 mm here, 50 mm here. Okay, and from here we will join it. Simply mi enter. No, mi enter reference point this. No, sorry. Mi enter. Okay, and then mi enter. This will be the reference point. No, see, our bulb completed. This is our bulb. If we'll measure, this will be the 1000 mm diameter, and this will be our 400. So we have completed our bulb. Okay, now what we will do, we'll place it here in this shaft. Okay, so what is the distance here? 650 mm, 600 mm, sorry, 600 mm. So we'll copy it, CO copy, and we will place it. Okay, let me do one thing. I want to trim this. Okay. Now it will be good. CO copy, enter this point and this point. Yes, it's done. Now TR, enter, simply trim it. You have created one bulb here. Well, measure the distance also. 600. Okay. So the next will be 1500. The next bulb will be at a distance of 1500. Offset of 1500. Again, this will be the center. We will trim it. TR enter. We'll copy it. See your copy. Reference point will be this, and we'll place it here. Delete it. Trim it. So you can see we have successfully created a drawing. Now we'll adjust something. This is like very much, so we will take it 150, and we will change the text height also one. Okay. We'll see. Done. We'll hatch it also. Hatch enter. No, it's look like beautiful. And we have created a under-reamed file. Suppose we have to create a single under-reamed file. This is double under-reamed file. We will simply delete it. Delete this, this, and all this. Because bottom say distance. Hmm. It's very easy. Hope you understand this, guys. And you can detail it at ground level. You can write everything, but this is the process how to draw. I have explained each and every command, and I have also prepared this Excel sheet from which it can be very helpful to. Suppose I change this to 800 and this to 300. Everything will be changed automatically. You don't have to do. You just simply see all this data and you have to draw it in your AutoCAD. Thank you, guys. Hope you understand.